Good morning, students. In last class we discussed about how to find median, how to find mean. So to find mean we have three methods. First one is direct method, and second one is assumed mean method, and third one is step deviation method. So in mean we have three methods. 1, 2. Every student should learn three methods because in examinations they may ask about particularly by naming one method. Means find mean by using direct method, find mean by using assumed mean method, find mean by step deviation method. They can ask like that, or find mean by appropriate method. They will ask to find mean by appropriate method. So we should understand what is the meaning of appropriate means. So class means mid values will be there for class, like class it is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Like this class mid values will become 15, 20 and 30. Mid value is 25, 35. Like this some mid values will come. And also in question they will ask frequency. The frequency is like 5, 8, 6, something like this. So by seeing these values, we have to know which method should be applied, because direct method formula, the first method formula is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So here what you have to do is fi and xi have to multiply. So in fi and xi, if you are seeing numbers like 238 into 69, so some big numbers will come. We should not do in this direct method. In this method, when you have to do, the numbers are small enough, like mid values will be like 2, 3, 5, below 10, and here also some numbers like 10, 8, 7, 6, like that. Fi and xi, if the numbers are very small, you have to use which method? Direct method. Next, medium. Medium means like this fi and xi are somewhat like say 15 and 5, which you can do. Means the formula for assumed mean method is a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi into h. Into h, not there. A plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. This is the formula for what? Assumed mean method. This method you have to consider when they are medium, not very high, not very low. These values are not small, not big. Then you have to use which method? Assumed mean method. So when values are very very high, like 235, 135, 150, 120, like that, then you have to go for step deviation method. So this step deviation method also I explained to you. A plus sigma fi mu I by sigma fi into h. This is latest method. So by using these three methods you will get the same answer. If the numbers are small or big, average or whatever it may be, by these three methods every problem will get same answer. But by doing this for greater numbers it is very difficult. For greater numbers, for big numbers, you have to use this method or this method. So according to the question, you have to choose among three any one, and you can do it if they ask to do appropriate method. Okay. Now we will go to the next topic, that is called mode. So I said about mean. Mean you have three methods, three formula you have to by heart it, and for these three how to write table and everything I said to you. once again revise that video which I said. Next we will go for how to find mode. How to find mode. So how to find mode, we'll go to 14.2. So before going to the problem, first we should know what is meant by mode. What is meant by mode? Mode means most repeated value is called mode. Most repeated value is called mode. Now in question they given like a class, they given 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65. So it is class, and frequency they given 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. So they given here both class and frequency they given for us. So to find the mode, what you have to do, you have to understand about it. Okay. So first you should know the formula for mode. Mode formula is nothing but L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So this is the formula. So values of F1, F0, F2, HL we should take from the table itself. We have to collect this L value, F1 value, F0 value, all these values we have to collect from the table. So L means lower boundaries. So boundaries means here it is class, this is upper boundary or upper limit, this is lower boundary or lower limit. So 5 to 15, here if it is starting from 16, limits and boundaries will be different. So in this class upper limit and in this class lower limit are same. Then they are called exclusive classes. In exclusive classes, limits and boundaries will be same. Now it is exclusive class. For this class, lower limit is 5, lower boundary is also 5 only. For this class, upper limit is 15, upper boundary is also 15. So like this, boundaries and limits you will have. So what you have to do, we'll see it. L means here lower boundary of model class. L is stands for lower boundary for model class. First we should know about what is meant by model class. So in frequencies, which number is greater, see it. 23 is greater among this entire. So this 23 where it is there, this underline with pencil like this. So this is what here, it is model frequency. So this is model frequency means this you have to assume it as F1. This you have to assume as F1. So above one, next one. So in number line, 0 will be there, 1, 2. So if it is F1, above one becomes F0, next one will becomes F2. Like that, if it is F1, above one becomes F0, below one becomes F2. Just again once listen carefully. In frequencies, greatest number you have to assume as F1. So 1 above, 0 will come, 1 after, 2 will come, 1 before, 1 after. So F0, F2. Now we got the values of F0, F1, F2 and L is nothing but, this is model class or not? This class is called model class. This is called model frequency. So in this model class, lower limit and lower boundary is what here? 35. So L value is 35 here. Because here and here it is same. If it is not same, what you have to do? 0.5 should be subtracted. Means if you are seeing here 34 and here 35. So model means lower boundary will be 34.5. Okay. Like the problems we'll see later in next class. Now whatever values we have to substitute in this formula. So formula is okay. Mod is equals to L means what I have to write here. I underline here one frequency, one class. In this class it is lower boundary. So in place of L I am writing 35 plus, open the brackets, F1. F1 means how much number is there here? 23 minus F0. F0 is how much here? 21 by 2 into F1. 2 into 23 minus F0 21, F2 14 into H means height of the cluster. Height of the class means difference between successive upper limits or lower limits. Difference between 25 and 15. From 25 subtract 15. How much you are getting? 10. So the 10 is called height of the class or size of the class. Okay. Anywhere. For 15 if you add 10, 25 will come. For 25 if you add 10, 35 will come. So the class interval or H or height of the class or size of the class is 10. Now you should simplify this one. That is 35 you have to keep it here only. From 23 you should subtract 21. You are getting 2. 2 23 is 46. Both are minus. So by keeping minus symbol, add these two. You are getting 35 into 10. So this 35 as it is are written, 2 as it is. From 46 you have to subtract 35. 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 3 is also 1 into 10. So here 35 plus 2 into 10 is 20 by 11. 20 by 11. So what you have to do in rough, 20 divide with 11. 11 ones are 11. 9 you are getting, 0.0. 11 eights are 88. 2, 0. 11 ones are 11. Again 9. So you are getting again 8, 88. So 1.81 bar you are getting. 1.81 bar. 1.81, 81, 81, etc. you are getting. So if you want to correct up to 2 decimal places, third decimal is greater than 5. So you can write in place of 1, 2. That is 35 plus 1.82 you can write it. For 35 if you add 1.82, how much you are getting? 36.82. What is 36.82? Mod. So this 36.82 will be there in this class only. 36.82 lies in between 35 and 45 or not. So our problem is correct. We should get this mod in this class only. The number in between 35 and 45 should be taken. So we got like this. The mod is 36.8. So next, can we do one more problem in this one? With greater numbers we'll see here. Remember the formula, by heart the formula, and do the problems. Next, one more problem here. Third question, third or fifth, they given within thousands they given here. 1000 to 1500, 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 3500 to 4000, 4000 to 4500, 4500 to 5000. It is class. Frequency they given 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 22, 16, 7. So class given, frequency is given. Okay. Now what you have to do is, in frequency, greatest number, bigger number is what here? 40. This 40 assume as F1. Underline this class. So why I underline this one? Because it is 40. Okay. Now what you have to do is, before F1 the frequency is F0. After F1 the frequency is F2. Now write down the formula for this one. That is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. It is the formula for mode. In place of L, it is class. In this 1500 is here, 1500 is here. So it is called exclusive class. So L means you have to write 1500 only, plus F1. F1 is how much here? 40 minus F0, 24 by 2F1, 2 into 40, that is 80, minus F0 minus F2, means minus 24 minus 33 into H means here height of the class. Difference between 1000 and 1500. 1500 minus 1000 means 500. It is 500. Now 1500 same. From 40 subtract 24. You are getting 16. 16 divided by minus 24 minus 33 is minus 57. 10 minus 7 is 3. 7 minus 5 is 2. So you are getting 23 into 500. So if you multiply 300, okay, I should multiply 16 5s. It is 85. 80. 2 zeros by 23. So now what you have to do is 8000 divide with 23. 23 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. 10 minus 9 is 1, 1. 1 0 take it up. 23 4s are 23 into 4. 4 3s are 21, 9, 92. 23 5s are, you are getting more than this number. So 23 4s are 92. If you do subtraction, 10 minus 2 is 8. 1. Again one more 0 take down. 180. So here 23 8s are. 8 is the 24, 4, 2. 16 plus 2 is 17, 18, 184. So approximately it is 340. 8 means 347 point something will come. 8 or something will come. So 1500 plus 347.8 or something. If you add, you are getting 1847 point. This is the answer. Okay. Do division. Practice these problems. Thank you.